Happy second e-learning day, 7th graders. Good morning. I hope you had a great day off yesterday after you did some work. This video is to reiterate expectations for what you should be submitting today. If you did not watch yesterday's video, you need to go watch yesterday's video first, because that's going to show you a little bit more specifically how to change your outline. This is Mrs. Pashi's outline, how to change your outline into an essay. So here's Mrs. Pashi's outline. She already wrote her introduction, which is paragraph 1. Okay, then yesterday we wrote paragraphs, 2 body paragraphs. Today you are going to finish writing your paragraphs. So after today, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. An introduction, which we wrote in class. Then you will have written all 3 of your body paragraphs, which is paragraph 2, 3, and 4. So reiterating yesterday, you are starting with your topic sentence, writing it verbatim, which means word for word, onto your Google Docs. Then you are taking your supporting details and writing those in your own words and making them into sentences. Then I start again. I start a new paragraph, starting with my topic sentence. I make this into complete sentences. Next paragraph, this is my first sentence, always starting with our topic sentence exactly from the text. Yeah, everybody say hi to Parker. Can you say hi, Parker?
Hi, Parker.
No, okay, say hi. Hi, students.
Hi.
Okay, all right, then you will take your supporting details and make those into complete sentences. All right, I wanted to give you an example of when you submit today, what should it look like? This is what it should look like. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. Notice how my paragraphs are separated by a space. Right here, I have a space. That's how I know I have 4 paragraphs. Okay, a paragraph is separated by a space. I start each one with my topic sentence straight from my outline. Okay, I'm looking for that. And then I have 4 paragraphs. When you submit today, you should have 4 paragraphs. Okay, please email me with questions. Your goal for today, I would say, is to have like 4 to 5 sentences per paragraph, per body paragraph. Okay, questions, please email me. Please reach out. Emailing shows that you are trying, you are attempting, and effort is really appreciated. Have a great day. Do a little bit of work. There is one IXL to go with today's stuff. And then do a little bit of work. Have some fun. Have a great day.